In this video, I'm going to break down the must-know tips for tackling home remodeling projects without turning your place into a total disaster zone. Whether you're redoing your kitchen, adding a bathroom, or just fixing up your basement, knowing how to manage the work right can save you a ton of headaches and cash. So here's the deal. First off, always start with a solid plan, like sketch out what you want and make a list of materials and tools. Next, get your permits if your city requires them, because skipping that step can lead to big fines or having to undo your work. When you're picking contractors, check reviews and ask for references so you don't end up with someone who ghosts you halfway through. Keep your budget realistic and always add a little extra for surprises. Trust me, stuff comes up. Label your circuits and plumbing lines clearly so future repairs or upgrades don't turn into a wild goose chase. Use eco-friendly materials when you can because it's better for the planet and your home's air quality. Don't forget to seal all possible pest entry points. Termites and rodents love sneaky cracks. And lastly, keep a daily log of what's done and any issues. It helps keep everyone on the same page and makes it easier to solve problems fast. One of the biggest mistakes I see in home remodeling is forgetting to label electrical circuits and plumbing lines. It's like leaving a treasure map without any directions, and it just creates confusion later on. Another common problem is ignoring the environmental impact by using toxic or non-recyclable materials, which not only hurts the planet but can affect your family's health too. And then there's pest prevention. If you don't seal up all the tiny gaps and holes during your remodel, you're basically inviting termites, rodents, and insects to move in for free. The fix for these is pretty simple. Be organized with your labels, choose green materials whenever possible, and do a thorough pest-proofing job before closing walls or floors. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because they connect homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and are ready to get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor, the site makes it easier to find new projects and grow your business by linking you directly with people who need your skills.